back at it again with our next video. So we're gonna make some potato pudding. So you don't know, say we grate a coconut already, and we there going to grate the potato. Yes, my peep. So now make sure I'm gonna look up on the mouth over here.
Yes, so that we're grating it.
Sorry. So guys, remember to subscribe, like and share. Please remember gonna guys just subscribe.
I'm gonna lick up on the mouth here now, guys.
And press the bell, guys, so I get all of my video. So yes, this one I got up potato pudding. So yes, my peeps, so we're outside. I get some potato. Thanks to Junior Lifestyle for them potato here. So yeah, great idea to get for ready, you know. You know that girl follow the video. Make it easier. Remember when you have your great potato, I'm just rub them off in no time. You didn't get it out there, I don't know how to make potato.
I'm not consider them great already.
I'm just rub them off so whoop, whoop, whoop. I have to do the doing great time. Yes, I this my grow pan. Oh my God. Can't great I go here because I will cut off my finger then. So wait a potato this time. So the outside. The outside setting. They must have one blender we can blend potato. They have a blender we can blend the potato though.
Never too fast.
Wait, hide. You so by the time the rain fall. Soon done. Soon done. Eh?
Guys, my peeps, so we'll come back to another channel. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell, so you get all of my channels.
So yes, my peeps. So the pan here get the potato. So we are make some real Jamaican potato pudding at a place. And we can place in the order. How much it is? My peeps, so welcome back. So now guys, we grated the potato and the coconut, so this is it. So we had some ingredients to our stuff here. So we had some caramel, not too much caramel, and we had some vanilla, we had some rose water, we had some almond, we had some nutmeg egg to this. We also had some baking powder with a little bit of salt, and now we are going to add our we're going to add our flour. We had some sugar before, so now we are going to add some browning and some flour, guys. So we're adding some browning. You don't want to add too much because you don't want it to be black and you don't want it to taste bitter. So we are rub up on total. So this is what you call total. Yes guys, some people can put yam in there, don't have to put caramel, but you can put some yam in there. And we have some fruits here that we are going to put in to heat. Yes, my peeps, so we are make up a nice little total or potato, real Jamaican pudding. So we are going to add some flour, guys. This is a good size cake. This is a good size potato pudding. And remember, you add your vanilla. We add vanilla already, but I'm going to add a little more. and we add in with sugar and beer things already. And we put in with cinnamon spice and with cinnamon powder and with allspice and with mixed spice. We put in them there already, guys. I never remember if I have the camera up and running so you guys could see. But you can put in here from the look of this. This really look really nice and stuff. So guys, this having jagan, wine, fruits, currant mixed peel, etc. Any baking thing, this having a lot of stuff in here. So we're gonna blend them and we're gonna add them to this, guys. So here's my peeps, so I put some cooking oil in there, don't want too much. Some person can use butter, you can cream out the butter and use the butter. But remember, potato pudding in a cake, so we had some more sugar to it, and because the name that's sweet, we're gonna add more egg to it.
Do you want to know what it is?
So we're going to some more egg.
It is all around.
This is 2 egg now, guys, because this is a very big potato pudding. We have a big pot, we're gonna do this. We're going it up in there. That's it. No more. So yes, guys. So these are my fruits. So this is what I'm going to blend, and then put them in the fridge or soak for a good little time now. With some jagan, guineas, rum, wine. We have raisin, we have mixed peel, we have mixed spice, we have currant, and we have corn, and we have some cherries. So we're gonna blend them up, and we're gonna throw them into our potato pudding. So we put them in our potato pudding, guys. The man see there, nice potato pudding. So guys, I am going to pour in all my blend. This looks just look nice like when
It is the world.
So I'm gonna add no more. So guys, with the outside, if I look outside settings. So this is it.
That we are a slave.
And Fly loves sweets. So this is it, guys. So we'll put them in our baking tin now and put them in our oven. So yes, my peeps, friends is there video. So me I go grease my pan.
When you feel them, you feel better.
Of course.
You can go see in pot.
Edit yours. There's my peeps, so me I grease the pan with some butter, and then I will put a little flour to it. So when it's something there come out, the potato pudding come out. Which pan?
What it is.
You know this something that one? Yes, I did.
The Matrix
It's
is
a stick-free pan.
It is all around us.
Yes, please.
Even now, in
When
this
the
very
video
moment,
there.
you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on the television. You can feel it when you go to work,
Pat it.
when you go to
With
church,
the same flour.
when you pay
You can
your
use the
taxes.
same flour to do this one more pan. So this is it, my peeps. When you have grease paper, so you have flour in the pan. Thick pan, so I need to let us try it. But this was the pan she was talking about. She said she never saw me go try it. But I wanna share some. Okay, my peeps, so this is it. We are
world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth.
So yes, my peeps, so as you can see, I put a pot of water into the oven, so the heat, too much heat don't suck out the moisture from the pudding, and the steam from the water will allow the pudding to soak much faster. If you can see, this is smelling really nice, guys. And guys, look at this big fat mama. Very juicy and nice. I'm going to cut it. Kinda hot. Looking at the oven. Looking at the oven. Looking at the oven. No, sir. So yes, my peeps, so this is the finishing product. Wait till it cool and stuff. So this is it. Yes, guys, look at it. So the real Jamaican potato pudding. So remember to subscribe, like, and share. Remember to tell a friend that your girl Otila Way of Living is here with another video. So this is our real Jamaican pudding with some raisin and prune and currant in it. Yeah, man, turn up the thing, subscribe, like, and share, my peep. Yeah, pudding. It tastes nice, guys. I tell you now. I don't have aunties on the pudding. I bake it if you want. Cheese somebody and they done already. Once we put it up on my status, them done already. Guys, I'm gonna go like hot bread. Yeah, my peep, I'm out.